Hi folks, welcome back to ECS Coffee. I'm Jack, and today we're doing a quick unboxing of the Vitamix FoodCycler FC-50. I haven't had to say Vitamix in a long time because we haven't sold them in a long time, but no new coffee machines came out this month, so we're looking for something to do. But yeah, this is a new thing we brought in. Basically, it's like a composter, a thing that turns your food waste into dirt. But like nice dirt. And it makes you feel a bit better about yourself that you're decomposing your food in your kitchen rather than just throwing it outside and littering. Anyways, this is a lovely machine. It's eco-friendly, cuts down on your food waste, makes big food items that are wasted, like scraps, into small dirt items. So makes things a bit easier. And if you don't have a garden like myself, being in an apartment, then you could just throw the dirt in the trash and it takes up less room in your trash bin because my trash bin is quite small, considering apartment. But yeah, let's get this thing open and see what's inside, how it's packaged, and talk a little bit about it. Okay, so we've got the box here, as you can see in the other camera. Boom. Yeah, I know, right? I'm so fancy. We've also got a knife here. So what we're gonna do is tip it on down, boom, like that. Cut the little tape thing, but there's also like a bit of a, there we go. So we're gonna cut that, and then it's like one of those ones where you pull the flap out, boom, there we go. I think that's all that like actually holds the top on. So I don't think I'll have to take it down onto the ground this time, like every other unboxing video I've done. Okay, and right out of the box we're presented with a user manual. Bienvenue dans la famille. That is French. Yeah, a little manual. And then we're also presented with a sort of lid. I think this is the lid for the waste basket sort of thing. So we'll put that just there for now. Then we've got this big old cardboard insert that seems like it, okay. So yeah, just the packaging. And then we've got the actual machine itself. I'm gonna stand this up to take it out of the box. Ugh. Because it is a big boy. Actually, it's got some nice protective stuff on it, but it also has a handle on the top. And this handle here is suggesting that I should grab by the handle. But it also feels like kind of plastic, like flimsy handle, so I'm gonna try it. Okay, it's working. And boom, there we go. Okay. That's all that's in the box. Nothing else there, just the bottom of the packaging. This box is very loud. Okay, let's move this over here and we'll take all the packaging off. We've got a little twist tie back here, which I'm untying. I'd turn it around and show you that on camera, but frankly, I think you all know how a twist tie works and you don't need to see that visually to understand that there's a twist tie. If you do, Google twist tie. All right, so we're gonna get that all the way off. The first non-loud piece of packaging. Okay, and it is facing away from the main camera, so I'm gonna do that. I think this is the right way, although it's kind of the same on all four sides. Yeah. Okay, so this is all that's in the box. We've got the power cord, which is attached to the machine with another twist tie. I can even untwist this one on camera so you guys can all see what a twist tie is. There we go. And yeah, and we've got the lid here, and then just some more trash, you know, because eco-friendly plastic packaging lines up. Don't need that. Use your owner's manual if you buy one. Use it, because don't trust me. I might die. This machine might be broken in a few days. We'll see. Okay, so we've got the top of the machine here. I'm gonna angle this down so you guys can see it a bit. Right here, we've got the display, essentially, which is just 4 LEDs that light up, whether it is change filter, cooling, grinding, or drying. And this is the power button. Even though it doesn't look like a button, it's just a power light thing. That's kind of cool. And then we've got this here. Lock, unlock, pull it out. There we go. So that is the full lid. And we've got this little tab that says remove before use. And then we've got this that says remove before use. So So we're gonna remove these things before use. Oh, what does that say? Please remove before use. Okay, it just keeps saying remove before use. I don't even know why they're there. And then we've got this. Don't know what this is. And another one of these. Now I know the machine is supposed to come with some carbon filters. I think it comes with 2 of them. These are not filters though. These are just little plastic cups. So we'll see what that is. All right. Right here we've got the removable waste basket. And then we've got another please remove before use right here. Okay, that looks like it. Oh, I see where the filters are. They're on the back. So let's get this garbage out of the way. So if we turn it around to the back, it's a lot more interesting than the front because the front is just a blank gray wall. So the back here has got this little thing here called the filter reset, and it's got this tape holding it in. So we're gonna just take this tape off and see what is inside of there. I'm just gonna stick that to my counter and then inevitably forget it's there and then realize it's sitting there in like 2 weeks and go, where did this blue tape come from? So we're gonna, okay, it's screwed shut. So it's got a plastic little switch here to open it up, but it also has 2, what are those? Those are custom screws. Those aren't even Torx. So it's got a fancy screw. Holding it in as well, I believe. Yeah. Oh, no, I'm wrong. I'm totally wrong. It is not held in by screws. I was just weak. I thought it was weird. Okay, so back here we've got whatever this is, which kind of seems a bit sloppily put on. Like if you look at that, like it's just like some tape or whatever. I don't know. Looks kind of like gaff tape. And then we've got the 2 filters. Also, both of them say remove this sticker before use on the top. I don't know how to remove this sticker. I think it's like, is that it? I think. Okay, I've ripped one of the stickers. They've all got little tabs all around them. Okay, and now I've got it. Now I got it. Okay. Come on. There we go. So these are carbon filters. You can tell that they're carbon filters, both by the fact that it says it on the box and that there's carbon residue on the top of the sticker. So if you're in need of carbon, you know, just lick the sticker. Okay, and we've got another one here. Come on. Of course, the last sticker is always the hardest. I cannot get this up. There we go. This one's got a little tear in it already, which is not setting things up well for me. And how are you supposed to get these off without tearing them? Like, do these even, like, I can't even figure out how to get these filters out. Come on. Almost got it. Okay, no, I can't get it. I think it's out of the way of the vent, though, so it should function properly. Hopefully. But yeah, so the next thing that I can deduce we need to do is put these on. So I've discovered, based on the fact that there are little itty bitty holes here that line up with the shape of this, that these must go on top of the filters as sort of vents. So slap that on top there, boom, and slap this on top, okay, okay. Slap this on top there, slap this on top there. Yes, no, okay, they're not sitting on nicely. What am I doing wrong? You know what, I think it's time we consult the manual. Safeguards, set up on page 7. Okay, so I was doing it right. It just doesn't click satisfyingly, I guess. So these just sort of sit on loosely, it seems. There we go. And they just sort of hang out there. I can't find a way to get them to go on any tighter or anything, and looks like that's just about it. So we slap this back on. Ah, okay, press here to close. Press here to close. It still doesn't seem closed. There we go. So you kind of have to press all around to close it. And these still kind of just sit loosely inside. So I don't really know what the heck is. I don't know. Okay, next up we have this. This is the basket. So what they actually suggest on their website is that you can basically just have this chilling on your kitchen countertop or under a sink or something. And this could be basically your compost bin. So you throw everything in here, and then you can keep this machine in your garage or your closet or something if you don't want to have this big old machine on your counter, but supposing you don't mind having this big old machine on your counter like myself, you can just throw them right in, just keep them in the machine. But you just gotta make sure you put them in the basket. And it's nice and black on the outside, so it doesn't look terrible. You could keep this on your counter and it wouldn't get too many looks. The inside is a really fugly purple though, so like a lavender. What we also need to do is remove this sticker here that says, do not fill over this line. Please remove sticker before use, which is right next to no line. I don't know what line it's talking about. There's a bit of a bevel slightly below it, which I guess it's talking about, but there is no clear line. So I don't know for sure, but that is what it told me to do in the owner's manual. I would not have otherwise removed this sticker, so make sure you remove this sticker, otherwise I guess it'll get composted. Alrighty, so that is it. I'm gonna try to reassemble it, put it all back together. There is a little arrow here. Now I reckon that this little arrow lines up with something on the machine. However, oh, there it is, okay. Took me a while, there is a little arrow there. So you line up the two arrows, I assume. So yeah, there's a little arrow, you put it in, it's fine. Okay, so I've got it all reassembled, except for the lids. One thing I kind of noticed is that you don't put both lids on. So once the basket's in, while you're able to put this lid on, if this lid is on, you can't put this lid on. You need the main lid. So even though this lid looks like it definitely does stuff because it has like carbon filter and metal and everything in it, pretty sure it just chills on the side when you're actually running a cycle. And you just put the main lid back on and lock it. So yeah, that's the FoodCycler FC-50. That's what it's called, right? That's the FoodCycler FC-50. I'm going to do a video composting some stuff with this, which will probably be out in a few days after this one, considering it takes a little while to actually do that. I don't know exactly how long it takes. It says it runs multiple cycles per day. I had assumed it would take multiple days to run a cycle, but you know, we'll see. I got a lot of stuff to throw in it, as well as some compostable K-cups. So we'll see if those actually compost in here, put them to the test. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the FoodCycler FC-50 or any other products that we keep in stock, let us know in the comments down below. You can find links to our websites and to buy this machine in our description down below. And like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you also liked it and want to make me happy. A little smile on my face. And yeah, thank you for watching. I've been Jack, and take care. Until next time.